Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix mouse PI for higher game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. Now after that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you find human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again and select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to Windows search for settings. Now after that, click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. After that, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, add your gamepad or controller over here and after that check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check. So you will be able to see an update option over here. If there is any update available, update it and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Enter big picture mode. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here you can see enter big picture mode option. Simply click on it and after that, after you enter big picture mode, select your game and try to play it. After that, exit big picture mode and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, then you can install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or even you can go through the link that I have already given in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. You open the link, click on the download option, go below and here you have to click on download option. So this will download DS4 Windows tool and after that install it. Now after installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error. So using these methods, you can easily resolve mouse PI for higher game controller or gamepad not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.